Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, I guess I got it wrong. I thought today the price was actually going to give this 880 mark a big run for its money, and it never really did. The first 30 minutes, it hung around that area and just didn't quite happen, which is, I suppose, a very good lesson in why waiting for confirmation is very, very important, because just because something looks very, very likely to happen, there are no guarantees in the market. And, this is just a good example of that. So point here being that 880 mark, which I talked quite a bit about in the video on Tuesday, definitely still remains that very, very important level of resistance that you're going to want to keep an eye on. And if there is going to be any sort of, movement to the upside to potentially get up to that $900 mark, it all begins and ends with that 880 mark, which again, you can see right here was such a stubborn level. And then, like I said, this morning, that was the first 30 minutes, right around that area, hung around the general vicinity, but just never got any sort of, continuation. So that does still remain the key level of resistance. So if there is any sort of movements to the upside, in fact, what I'm going to do before you even worry about 880 now, that first key level that needs to be broken is that 868. Then I'm also going to just move this line down to still represent that 880 mark, since it is so important. As far as levels of support are concerned, the main level now to watch moving forward, going to be right there at that 853 mark. You can see 853 is where the price bottomed out there. And then right there, if 853 cannot quite hold up, then the next level of support you would want to immediately turn your attention to is that purple line down there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. Current value of that is at $842. So those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward, and we'll see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.